birthday, baby Osang. I wish more birthday to come. Ingat always. Kung ikakasal ka na, bait mo ako ha. Joke lang. Again, happy birthday. Ingat always.
Hello! May gusto lang akong batiin ngayon dahil kaarawan niya ngayon. Walang iba kundi si Ate Rosana. Happy birthday, Ate Rosana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And Merry Christmas na din in advance. Ang wish ko lang, Ate Rosana, is good health palagi dahil mahirap kapag nasa malayo ka sa pamilya mo, at ingatan mo palagi yung katawan mo dyan ha, at more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings, and stay what you are, enjoy ka lang sa yung birthday dyan, at mag-ingat ka palagi. Sana matupad lahat ng mga kailangan mo. More blessings to come. God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday. Yahoo!
Hello everyone! Shout out to all! Gusto lang namin batiin ng birthday girl nga si Ate Rosana Agravante! Yay! Happy birthday, Ate Rosana! More wish to come, more candles to blow, and stay what you are. Stay humble, and
Stay pretty.
yes.
Stay sexy. More candles to blow. More birthdays to come. Good health always. Haggard na ang atin nyo. So, stress na Akish. So, wag mo na lang pansinan ang mukha, Akish. So, kantahin na lang, Aron, kada si Ate Kusang kantahin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Rosana.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Bebe Cake. So, ayun. So, mag-ingat ka dyan palagi, and stay. Ano sabi mo?
Stay always, stay what you are. Stay humble.
Sinabi na ni Sophia, Bebe. So, ayun. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi, and
Ingat yan sa trabaho mo, and happy birthday.
More birthdays to come. Same na tayo, 34. So, matanda na yung fest ko. So, alam mo na, ang dami ko ng anak, Kesh. So, ayun, Kesh.
35 po.
Ay, Udi, 35 na dahil. 35 pa na pala, baby, no? Same pala tayo. So, matanda lang ako ng ilang months. So, ayun, happy birthday. I love you, baby.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye, baby. From Team Baby 2.0,
Sophia.
Fine. Happy New Year, and of course, we cannot end the year without the special occasion, and other than Bebe Koy Osang's birthday. Hi, Bebe. I know that I have promised na hindi na kami gagawin ng video greetings for you, but then Ate Rose insisted, kaya siya na daw bahala, kaya siya pagalitan mo ha. So ayan, Bebe, thank you so much for everything, from the friendship to Anli and Juan to Sawa Chika. Ayan, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for the love, and wala akong pinipray for you kundi good health and successful career, and hopefully magkaroon ka na ng sarili mong business para hindi na kailangan na mag-abroad or mawalay sa family, lalo na lumalaki na sila, yun lang, good luck din sa love life sana siya na stay happy. Pasensya na sa aking itsura ngayon. So, know that I love you kahit hindi man tayo magka-chat. Take care always, ha? Hoping to see you soon, alright? Lots of love, baby Koy. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your special day and the rest of the year. See you!
Hello, hello. This is Tony Towers here to wish baby Rosanna Agravante a happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby Rosanna Agravante. I hope you're having a wonderful birthday this year. Another year gone, still looking the same. Hope you're happy. Hoping you're enjoying your life. More blessings, more growth, more things in your life to make you happy, of course. Enjoy your every day, not just your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. See you soon. Stay well, stay happy. More candles to blow, more cake to eat, more gifts to open. Happy birthday, baby Rosanna Agravante, or baby Yek Yek, which one you want to call. 2024. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, baby. I love you, I love you, I love you. Baby, wish you the best. At always be strong lang. At nandito lang ako lagi. As your sister, as your kaibigan, or salamat naman, tinuring mo akong kapatid. At basta, ayaw kong magdrama, pero panatag na rin yung loob ko na kung sakaling hindi tayo magsama dito sa Hong Kong, sa day off mo, kaya mo na. At saka always lang, nandito lang naman ako lagi. At mamimiss ko yung kulitan natin, yung tawanan, yung bargadola natin, yung asaran na ano ba yun, yung bully at saka yung panglalait natin sa sarili nating dalawa bago gumawa ng picture or magpicture tayo. So basta ingat ka lagi. Yung sabi ko lang, hindi ko lang mapangako na magkasama pa rin tayo sa birthday mo sa kwan. Ayan, may baboy pa, may baboy ramo. Ayan ayan kagabi pa yan dito, bibi. Ayun, tumakbo. Natakot, akala niya kakatayin ko para sa birthday mo. Basta, alam mo na yon. Mahal na mahal kita. At alam mo, marami na rin tayong pinagdaanan sa ating pagkaibigan, sa ating friendship. So, maybe LDR friendship na naman tayo, pero mapangako naman natin sa isa't isa na magkapit-bahay tayo. 'Di ba? So, siguro, basta, alam mo naman yung mga plano at sana matupad natin yung mga plano natin. At basta, ingat ka na lang lagi, wag ka nang, basta yung sabi ko na pag wala na ako dito, hindi na tayo magkasama sa day off mo, wag ka na lang uminom or pumunta sa malayo or makipag-friend ka na rin sa iba, pero yung dalawang bagay lang yung sinabi ko, wag magpunta ng bar at saka uminom. So, I love you, baby. Happy birthday. Sana nga malakas yung panalangin mo na next birthday mo nandito pa ako. At saka sabay tayo mag for good. Sana lang. I love you again. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Yik! I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy.
Love you. Ingat palagi.
Mama, I love you and I miss you. Advance Happy New Year and happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Huwag mo pababayaan ang imong sarili. Love you. Love you, Mama. Bye-bye.
Mama, happy birthday and advance Happy New Year. More birthdays to come. I love you and I miss you. Mwah!